Hi everyone! Today we have another gardening video where we're going to plant these spring bulbs. Actually, this is the middle of the February in Zone 6B and it's not the right time to plant these. We usually plant these around late fall, which is like November or early December. So what usually happens with me is that I'm quite busy around that time and I procrastinate and I either don't get the bulbs or I actually forget to buy the bulbs, or I just buy them and keep it in my garage and never end up planting them. So this year I did buy them. No, actually, no, I did not buy them. And in the middle of December, I went to Lowe's and I found all these bulbs on clearance, which were like, I think the same, bigger packs than these were like $2.50. And I got them, and we had a warm week in December, the end of December, and I planted them at that time. So I didn't get any chance to do any pots. Actually, I don't really do any pots. I had an idea of doing pots with bulbs, but I didn't get around to doing it. So last week when I went to Walmart, I found these spring bulbs on clearance, which was like 50 cents for 6 bulbs. So I thought, okay, why not? Let me give it a try. The bulbs actually, I don't know, I'll show it to them once I open the pack. They have started sprouting. So I think it should work even if I plant them now. But I am going to try my luck, and today I'm going to do something called lasagna planting. I know a lot of people have done this before, where you basically layer the bulbs like you would layer a lasagna. So you need a deeper pot for this, and then you need to read the labels and when these are going to bloom. That's very important in this case. I actually found only 4 bags because when I bought, I didn't really have an idea of doing this, but when I went back to get more, all of those were gone. So today I'm just going to do 1 pack of daffodils and 1 pack of tulips. And in this case, even though daffodils usually flower before tulips, this says the daffodil mix blooms mid-spring, and the tulips blooms. Oh, this one is mid-spring, and I have an early spring one here. This is an early spring tulip. So the key with the lasagna bulb planting is you need to plant the bulbs with the longest bloom time at the bottom. So the ones that bloomed last goes in the bottom, goes first, and then you layer a layer of potting soil, and then you add your next bulbs in. Always trying to make sure that they don't you don't put them on top of each other, so you just move around the pot. I actually like to turn the pot once so that I can get them evenly dispersed around the pot. So let's add some potting soil, and we leave them out because that's where they are. Actually, with pots you have to drill drainage holes in the bottom. I've already done that. So I do add, let me actually get up, it's easier that way. So this is about, I would say, 6 inches of potting soil, and since the daffodils go late, blooms mid-spring, I'm going to plant them down. So these are the daffodil bulbs. Of course, you plant this side down and the pointy side up. So I'm going to put, there are 6 in these. Can you see that they started sprouting already? So which is good. Which means nature did half the work for me. Lazy gardeners like me, that works. So I put about 3. Actually, this one has a baby one too, so I'm hoping I'll get 2. I put about 3 in here, and then I'm going to cover that up. As you can see, this is my first layer, the top of the bulbs. I'm going to cover it up with soil gently. So that is good enough, and I think I put 3 bulbs earlier. I have 3 more here, and actually I put it earlier when I put it here, so this one I'm going to put in the gap. Okay, so we are done with daffodils in this pot. We will cover them up and then add the tulips. You can add more than these. You don't really need to follow the spacing restrictions. Actually, you can put all 6 in one layer. Pack as much as you can because that looks pretty. I do not have the bulbs. Like I said, I got these on clearance. These were the last few that were there. So this is my double early mix tulip. So these are 6 bulbs too. See this? They already started sprouting. So we plant one. I'm gonna actually put these in the center and then try to go in the outer circle a bit more. So these 3, no, actually maybe offset like this because I have the daffodils there. And I seriously wish I had more of these, but what can you do? This is what you get when you procrastinate. So hopefully next year I can do these in the fall, leave it out, and they should be good. So, okay, I think I need more potting soil on this. Some more because that, well, the sprout is actually pretty high up. Okay, so now I think I have enough on this side. So this is 1, this is 2, and then I'll put 1 out here. So these are my tulips. This is potting mix, regular potting mix that I'm adding. I think we should be good on this, or maybe some more. I think we are good to go. So this pot is done. I will do one more pot with the other 2 packs that I have, and then we will give it a good drink of water, and we should be good to go. I'll just leave it outside in my yard or around my front door steps, so they will get watered by the rain or snow, and they should be pretty much like how they are in the ground.